All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building a circular shadow box, something I've never tried before. This is a complete experiment, but well, as you can see behind me, it did work. I was recently asked to make a piece for a dispensary here in Vermont. If you don't know what a dispensary is, it's where you can go buy
grass,
things of that nature. They're popping up everywhere. It's a big and upcoming industry, so I said, yeah, let's do it. I thought I could get away with something kind of funky. So my plan is to create a circular shadow box. If you're curious on how I made the circular frame, next week's video is literally just gonna be an in-depth video about how I came up with this frame construction, and of course how you could do it too. So stick around for that. That said, subscribe if you're not subscribed so you don't miss it. Let's just jump right into it. First things first, let's create a line drawing for the art that's gonna go in here. I'm pretty sure they call this weeding.
grass.
When you take out like the little strips of vinyl in between all the shapes. I did that so you guys could see what this looks like because I have a hard time getting a shot of the actual vinyl stickers that I use. I'm not in love with this particular vinyl. I think it's kind of like a permanent Cricut vinyl, but it's gonna work just fine for this. Check it out, circular shape with the cow. I'm digging this so far. So why don't we sticker some of this wood? Let's go pick something out. I actually have something kind of fun in store for the glasses, and it's over there on the cardboard shelf. So I'll pull that out as soon as I get most of this stickered. Save that for last, but tree trunk. It's a rather simple design. I think I went a little heavy with the line weight. We'll see. Cool blue stuff I've had for a while, so I'm thinking the clouds could be a good option for that. Yeah, I think I'm going purple for the shades, for the frames, right? Because it's cool, it's wacky. Do I have enough orange? Yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh, I just reorganized this. Where are you? Aha! This guy. All right. How do I want to show you this? All right, I'm going GoPro. So this guy is plexiglass, which I typically use for, like I said in my mansion video, windows and that kind of thing. But here's the twist. Check it out. This stuff is, see that? It's a mirror. Actually, you can kind of see me. So when you remove the film, it's got a perfect mirror finish. So that's what's gonna be our sunglasses. How cool is that? Some mirror finish sunglasses, making that cow look real fresh. That's gonna look so sick. Here's what we got. Big giant piece of poplar. We've got some maple for our white lights. We've got some blue for our clouds. These are so cool. Purple shades with the mirror lenses. Some yellow for the sun, walnut. More walnut. Oh, where's those trees? Oh, they're over here. Walnut for the trees. So yeah, let's go cut this out. All right, we're back from finish. We've got, we put some finish on our pieces that we cut out, and it's glue up day. As it turns out, I'm in all green.
Grass.
So let's get you guys up overhead and let's glue this thing up. I'm pretty excited.
Of love, and nothing here is really what it seems. Come on, praise now, lift up your voice. Oh, and it feels so good, baby, it's understood.
All right, guys, and there it is. Really excited with the way that this came out. It's funky, it's cool, it's pretty much exactly what I was hoping it would be. So now we got to go hang it up and see if it sells. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you're not already and stick around. Lots of cool stuff coming this year, and just glad you're here. Thanks. Bye.